what if I told you you could walk into any room and instantly make people respect you, fear you, or even follow you without saying a single word? They say actions speak louder than words, but what if I told you that your silence might be screaming louder than your voice? Yes, silence, the unspoken force that doesn't need a mic, a stage, or applause to shake the ground. Think about it. How many times have you felt someone's presence before they said a word? Their energy walked in first. Their silence said something your instincts couldn't ignore. Every time you walk into a room, sit across someone, or even stand in a queue, your body is speaking a language most people can't hear. It's like a hidden transmission, a silent frequency constantly broadcasting. Most are deaf to it, but those who do hear it, they have power, and not just ordinary influence. I'm talking about the ability to sway rooms, influence outcomes, even intimidate, all without a single sound. Because body language isn't just about posture or hand movements, it's about silently programming the minds of everyone around you. And today, you're about to learn 5 psychological body language secrets that 99% of people have never even heard of. They can make people respect you, fear you, or follow you without you ever saying a single word. But watch until the end, because trick number 5 is mind-blowing. 1. The alpha triangle gaze. This isn't just a stare. This is psychological warfare. While most people shift their eyes randomly during a conversation, you'll fix your eyes in an invisible triangle. One eye, the other eye, and the center of their forehead. What happens when you do this? You activate a primal recognition system in the other person's brain. This gaze creates a dominant, commanding energy that instantly tells their subconscious mind, I am not afraid of you. It sounds simple, but it's devastatingly effective. Try it in your next interaction, not with aggression, but with calm presence. The eyes don't flinch, they anchor, they hold space. You're not just looking, you're projecting power. This single move is used by elite psychologists, interrogators, and even military interrogators during high-stakes encounters. Why? Because it triggers deep primal instincts, the kind our ancestors used to size up leaders and tribes. A wandering gaze signals submission. A steady one commands attention. 2. The gravity-defying posture. Forget the fake superhero stance people flaunt after watching a motivational video. This isn't about puffing your chest like a cartoon character. True power is relaxed. It doesn't scream. It doesn't beg. It breathes calmly in chaos. So here's what you do. You stand with your spine straight but loose, your chin slightly up but not arrogant, your shoulders pulled back naturally, as if gravity has no effect on you, as if you're suspended between tension and tranquility. It's a posture that says, I'm exactly where I need to be. Now here's the twist. This isn't just about how others perceive you. This posture literally changes your brain chemistry. Science shows it raises testosterone and lowers cortisol, which means it biologically makes you more confident. And guess what? People can smell that confidence. It's not about cologne or clothes. It's about the unshakable vibe you emit. The room feels your calm strength. Because power that's trying to prove itself is not power. 3. The pause and scan entrance. Let's paint a picture. Most people walk into a room looking nervous. Their eyes dart around searching for someone familiar. Their shoulders tighten, posture collapses, steps hurry. That's the energy of someone who doesn't belong, someone seeking permission. But not you. You walk in and pause at the door, 1 full second. Then you scan the entire room, not fast, not slow. This tiny delay flips a psychological switch in everyone watching. It tells them, I don't chase the moment adjusts to me. You're not just another guest. You're someone important, someone whose presence changes the atmosphere. You're the observer, not the desperate participant. You're scanning, assessing, not hoping. 4. The steeple. You've probably seen this gesture but never realized how powerful it truly is. It's when your fingertips meet like a triangle, forming a steeple shape in front of your chest. It's not just a pose, it's a signal of control, of wisdom, of presence. Elite lawyers use it during high-stakes negotiations. CEOs use it when addressing a boardroom. Intelligence officers use it during debriefings. Why? Because it conveys calm authority. It shows you're not aggressive, but you're not submissive either. By the way, if you're still with me, I've got something very special for you. The Sigma's Black Book of Untouchable Power. It's an ebook that contains the forbidden knowledge used by high-level thinkers. But this will be deleted soon. The elites don't want this out. So check the description or pinned comment right now to grab it before it's gone. 5. The micro-freeze. This is the hardest one to master, but once you do, it changes everything. It's called the micro-freeze, where you take a fraction of a second longer than most to respond. Whether it's to laugh, to nod, or to answer, you delay just slightly. That tiny pause sends one powerful message: I think before I react. And that subtle delay, it creates psychological tension. It makes people wait. It forces them to hang on your next word, as if your reaction carries more weight than theirs. And it does. Because whether you realize it or not, it makes you appear intelligent, mysterious, and emotionally unshakable. People don't trust fast talkers. They assume they're slick, manipulative, or nervous. But the calm thinker, the one who pauses, that's the person. People live their entire lives unaware of the energy they emit. They stumble through interactions, begging for approval, leaking insecurity with every twitch and glance. But not you, because now you don't just understand body language, you control it. And when you control how people feel in your presence, you control the outcome of every conversation, every meeting, every relationship. Now listen carefully. Dark mindset isn't just another channel on the internet. It's a rise of power. So if you're serious about becoming powerful, then subscribe now or stay weak forever. The choice is yours.